हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ एस्से माय फादर। 250 वर्ड्स के साथ ये एस्से मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। माई फादर इज़ द मोस्ट बिलव्ड पर्सन इन माई फैमिली। माई फादर इज़ द बेस्ट फादर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. My father is my hero, my best friend and great role model in my life. My father name is, यहाँ पे आप अपने father का नाम mention कीजिए. He is 40 years old. He wakes up early in the morning and exercise regularly. He always goes to the office at the right time and teaches us to go to school at the right time. He teaches us the value of time in life and says that if someone spoils his time, time destroys his life. He is very soft heart. My father is very good natured person. Every person in the society respect him. He is very healthy, happy and punctual. My father is the head of our family. He loves all family members. He showers unconditional love to all member of family. He helps me with my studies, tell us stories and plays with us. He also helps my mother with many things at home. He respects my grandparents a lot of needs us to take care of them. I share everything with him. He supports me whenever I need him. He taught me how to behave, how to talk, meet, eat, drink, how to read his life to practical example to me to adopt and follow the most desired values of life. He inspires me to be a better human being. He is very kind and polite to poor. I love my father. I am very grateful to him for all that he does for me. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।